Hey, here is a new programming language I made named Brainfrick. Why Brainfrick? Because it's supposed to be a simpler version of Brain F word. And why is it called Brain F word? I have no idea. It just F words your brain. Now on programming, you can create a plus. What does the plus do? Nothing. If you click space, which opens the stage, it does nothing, as you can see. Click Z to go back to the console. Now we can put more pluses, maybe that will help us more. Let's see, nothing happened. Why? Because we haven't put a comma. What does the comma do? Shows the number. Okay, so now we can see a 3. What if we do it with 1 plus? We get a 1. And if we do it without any plus, we just get a 0. Which is kind of cool, but very useless. Now I can say plus plus plus, comma, and now that arrow indicates that we move to the next bit. And doing this by printing it again show that we have a new byte, which is displaying 30 now because we combined them. We can spam a lot of pluses and then click a dot to create a Unicode, which just shows the Unicode character of the byte, like the value. Okay, click Z to go back because you know that. Now I don't really want that because that's, oh wait, comma there first. So we can also go back and then we can use the subtract, minus, to subtract, of course. What would it do? And we can print that, and as you can see it prints 3 because it starts off 3. Then we go to the next bit, which is 0. Then we go back to our old bit and remove 1, which gives us 2 because it was 3. Okay, let's explore more about what this program does. Now we can write a lot of pluses. That gives us 14. You might think, why didn't it only give you from 1 to 9? Because it's a value, bro. What the sigma? You can also move, print, blah blah blah. Now we have 140 by using 2 bytes, which is kind of impressive. Thinking about it. Now we can go back and subtract a lot, and then print that, and then add more, like back, and we can go like 2 bytes, and then we put more, print that, and as you can see that gives us a really big number. Yeah, really big number. What a long code. Not very readable too. If you can master this, we also have a new thing, which is the slash. That's the last command. The slash just leaves a space. So if I write 3 slashes, it leaves 3 spaces. I can count here, like by using plus and comma, plus comma, plus comma. And we can check that out, and we have a big space between the numbers, which is very useless if you ask me. Okay, oops, let's leave that there. And now you might be thinking, why the space, that big space, actually looks like a normal space? Well, if you want to really see what is a normal space, that's what it should look like. That's the normal space. So yeah, don't think that's a really small space. Okay, so with all of these commands you can achieve loads of things. By clicking E you can clear the console, but I'm not gonna do that. Now we can go 5 back to go to the initial number, which is 14, if you remember. Okay, I should have left a space there, so let's remove that and make a space, and then go back 5, and then print it out, and as you can see it prints 14 because 14 was the first byte. Now I can click dot, and that gives me a Unicode character, but we can't really see it because that Unicode character does not exist. Okay, we got a 1. Yeah, that's not a number, that's a 1 from Unicode. We need to add more pluses to get bigger. Here is B, I'm guessing. Let's see, yep, it gives me B. Let's just remove 1 to get A. As you can see now, we have A. when you can go bigger to get like bigger number by adding another 26 pluses to get a lowercase a. That's what I'm guessing. And that's pretty much it. You can do loads of stuff with this, but don't expect to make games with it.